Okay, here we go. Recipe for 15 pounds of shredded beef. 15 pounds will make for 40 people easily. Some good tacos. Okay? So, we start out with 15 pounds of beef. This beef should be more in chunks, but the way they sold to me was in slices, but either way, it's a cheap cut of meat, $2.99 a pound, something good, because it's gonna be boiled so it could be ready for shredding. Okay, we're gonna have water. We're gonna get water. It's gonna be 2 gallons of water. This is 2 gallons of water. Geyser water. Oh, right out of our well. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. Okay, barbecue sauce. Other ingredients, we're gonna use some barbecue sauce, like 7 ounces of barbecue sauce. We may go 8 ounces. We got cumin. Cumin is gonna be a spice that we'll use. Comino in Espanol. So we're gonna use like about 1 teaspoon of cominos. Garlic. We have garlic here. About 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. Then we go down to salt. We will put about 4 ounces of salt. 4 ounces, okay? Clove. Magic clove. Ha. It's so magic I had hidden. Yeah, look at that, huh? This stuff goes a long ways. Very powerful, okay? So that's only going to be 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Don't get carried away. Okay, oregano. Another one of those secret items I keep hidden. Right? I keep it hidden. God only knows. Here we go. Oregano. Whole oregano. That's going to be like 3 teaspoons. All right? And one of the big items, 1 pound of chili. This chili is powdered chili. California chili pepper. Chili California molido. Meaning powdered. So we have a little bit of other chili here. Might be for color, I'm not even sure. Nope, it's the same one. Okay, so that is our ingredients, all right? So we shall prepare the sauce. Okay, now we have commercial break. We have water. We have 2 gallons of water. We're gonna have the meat right here is ready to go. Sliced up, shouldn't be sliced, but we're gonna work with it. We took off the fat, see, get rid of the fat. That's not gonna be any good, so you wanna make sure you got some of your fat off, because it will be funky. Okay, we will start with recipe. We're gonna go with barbecue sauce. Here we go. Gonna do a little barbecue sauce. Okay. 8 ounces we're gonna use of barbecue sauce. Okay. Which is 1 cup. 1 cup. Okay. Then we're going to do the chili powder. We said 2 cups of chili powder, which is 1 pound. So that should be the right amount. 2 cups. So, 2 cups.
Claro que sí.
Now we're making a recipe that came down from 100 pounds of meat. Francisco's recipe for 100 pounds. So me and Jordan had to break this down mathematically. You know, sometimes it's a little tough. Hopefully it works out. Okay. Take a break, because I will get some more tools to work with. Back again from commercial break. Now we'll prepare the rest of the sauce. We're going to start with the cumin. 1 teaspoon. That up there. Okay. Next one is garlic. 1.5. And they can be nice rounded ones, you know? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. 1.5. There we go. Next one now will be clove. 1 teaspoon. Very powerful. This one, don't make it too round. Just make it groovy. Okay? Right. Next is oregano, 3 teaspoons. Good. Oregano, I like to break it up, you know. Dose and press. And in English, that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Salt. Now we're getting kooky. 4 ounces. 4 ounces. Okay. 4 ounces, half a cup. Am I correct? I am correct. And the cameraman agrees. Oh crap. Is there a shortage of salt in the world? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You filming? Huh? Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Okay. Okay, well, if we need to go mine some more salt, we will. I know what the mining store is. That's pretty close. So, okay, a little hot water in this. I can kind of get all the goodies out of it. Okay. Okay, I think we got everything in there. Oregano, chili, we got it all. Now we're gonna mix it all in, okay? Yeah, baby. And then we will put it with the meat here in a second. And that's it. That's about it. That's what it takes to make a good sauce. Tasting. I hope it works. Good. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Next, choice for making shrimp. Okay, wash it off a little bit. Again, this isn't my favorite kind of meat, but we're gonna work with it. Okay. Grab it, put it all in there. This was sliced at the store. God knows why. That's what they did to me. So I will have to improvise. Okay. Turn it off. Here we are. Get ready for our sauce on top of our meat. We got about 15 pounds of meat in there, 2 gallons of sauce. Whoa! You didn't see that. Okay. That's it. Now we'll put it on the fire for about an hour. Hopefully it'll all be ready to go. Okay, we're gonna now put our meat on the fire. We've got a nice big old cooker over here. I know it don't look like much, but whammy! Look at that, huh? Fire in the hole. Okay. Set that baby on there. We're coming back to the beef. The beef takes about an hour and a half to cook. So even the way I bought the beef already halfway thinned up. As you can see, boiling like crazy. But this meat's really tough, so it needs to tenderize. Oh, we got a little slice. Oh, it broke. See that? It came off the bone. It came off. Now I think we might be able to eat it pretty soon. Let's try it. See that? Ooh, baby. Hot. Not bad. Okay, here we are. The final steps of the beef. Shredded beef. You must use some mittens, preferably chili mittens. Okay? Hotter than hell. So be careful. Turn off the fire. Shredded beef. Ready to go. Be careful with that part. You could hurt yourself. Okay, right now I see the shredded beef is broken down pretty good. I will now empty the broth. All the broth. Be careful, Ricky Brown. Say hi, Ricky. Get hola. We have bystanders here. Okay, let's go. Watch out. We're gonna shred the beef. Back in the days, we used to do it by hand. Now we're gonna do it with a mashed potato. Chicken dinner. Okay, see this? Just get in there, squish it up. It's very hot. You notice I moved the broth. It's far away right now. First, you don't want to just break it all up. At this point in time, just keep on mashing it. It comes nice and good. Ooh, man, it's hotter than hell. But it is good. So, Ricky Brown wants a taste. Grab it, Wayne. Nice. Ricky Brown says it's yummy.
Yummy.
This time now, believe it or not, we're gonna pour the rest of this sauce back in there. Pour it all in there. Because at this time it will become all the ingredients, all the juices, all the flavors are gonna come back into the meat. At this point in time, like I said, be careful. Pour it all in. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Why?
Because at this time you will now enjoy all the flavors. As this will now, the broth has all the flavors. So now, let it all soak in. Totally, look at that, shredded beef. Oh my God. Ricky Brown wants more shredded beef. Look at that. Nice. So anyway, that was shredded beef. It was 101. 101.